And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us their knee pillow. As you can see, you get 2 pillowcases included. It helps for back and hip comfort, knee and joint support, sciatica relief, and it can help during pregnancy. Restore natural alignment of your spine for comfortable whole night sleep. Just their handle on top, customer service info on the bottom, and large and leg pillow sticker. This side mentions how it relieves pain for back, hip, knee, and sciatica. And the back knee pillow, a little photo of it. High density memory foam, breathable 3D mesh, and 16 vent holes, patented ergonomic design, adjustable adhesive strap. So I've been working with this company for a while. I love their products. They've actually, a lot of them have helped my wife out. So this is gonna be no different. I think she's gonna use this. So if we take it out of the box, oh, it's like a shrink wrapped instruction booklet, and that's it for the box. So we have an included little knee pillow guide. Kind of gives you information about what it can help do. So that's awesome. And then here's the actual knee pillow. Let's grab a knife. There we go. Flat it out. So here's that extra knee pillow case that it comes with. So you do get 2 cases. One's of course already on it. And then this is the knee pillow. So this is the strap here. You'd be able to put this exactly how she's doing here. Strap it to that side where the Velcro is. And it's super soft. It does feel like a memory foam pillow. Very cool feeling to the touch. Love the little green tag here. I just like green though. But that's essentially it for this knee pillow. Very soft though. I think it would really help people who need to have a pillow between their knees for back pain or sciatica, etc. Thanks again to this company for sending me their knee pillow to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.